Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active Sonaria account and a connected wallet. Once connected, open Developer Options and locate the Recode Access Token area. You export or note the token ID and back up your seed phrase before proceeding. Make sure to record the creature slot you intend to modify. This is critical. Once done, unlock the wallet, authorize the site prompt, and copy the token string into a secure clipboard for the next step. You now apply the Recode. Paste the token into the Recode UI and select the target creature slot. Adjust parameters like traits, rarity caps, and cooldown values. Those changes affect in-game balance, so proceed deliberately. Preview the transaction to verify checksums and trait mappings, then set an appropriate gas limit and confirm the on-chain approval via your wallet. If the UI shows a mismatch, stop and recheck the token and target creature before signing to avoid irreversible changes. Finish by confirming the transaction is mined and verifying the creature in-game. You should see updated traits and the new Recode ID on your creature profile. If the transaction fails, check the non-C, gas price, and network selection. Sometimes resending with a higher gas or corrected non-C fixes it. If the token shows invalid or the creature won't update, copy the TX hash and contact Sonaria support. Provide the hash, wallet address, and token ID for.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.